In a world of packed schedules, back-to-back meetings, and constant hustle, your skin often becomes the silent casualty. But with the best skincare routine tailored for busy professionals, you can maintain a radiant, resilient complexion from dawn to dusk without investing hours. In this guide, we'll walk you through a streamlined but effective regimen, morning to night, that blends lifestyle inspiration, dermatological science, and shopping suggestions to help you build a luxury-level yet time-efficient skin ritual. Why busy professionals need a targeted routine? High exposure to stressor. Urban life brings pollution, air conditioning, screens, blue light, and UV, all of which trigger free radicals and accelerate aging. Time constraints. You want visible results without an unwieldy 12-step routine. Skin fatigue and barrier stress. Skipping nightly recovery or neglecting SPF can weaken skin resilience over time. Desire for a polished, confident look-in is a powerful statement. Healthy, glowing skin elevates your personal brand in every meeting or video call. By centering your schedule around a smart best skincare routine, you merge performance and self-care effortlessly. Start your day by cleansing. This removes overnight sweat, sebum buildup, and any leftover product residue. Use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Your skin is about to face UV, blue light, and pollutants. This is your moment to fuel it with defense. A vitamin C serum or antioxidant blend helps neutralize free radicals and brightens tone. Even if you have oily skin, skip going bare. Hydrating ingredients help maintain balance. Opt for a gel or fluid moisturizer infused with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher formula. If possible, choose one that doubles as a light-tinted shield or includes antioxidants. Apply at full face, neck, and any exposed areas. Reapply midday if possible. Even in the busiest schedule, you can maintain your skin's integrity with micro-rituals. Keep a facial mist or hydrating toner in your handbag. A quick spray over clothes or makeup helps combat dehydration from AC, screens, and ambient dryness. If reapplication of your main sunscreen isn't feasible, use a tinted sunscreen stick or mineral powder SPF for a discreet top-up. Blink dry eyes, screen fatigue, or a long commute. A travel-size eye cream and lip balm infused with hyaluronic acid or ceramides can refresh your look in seconds. Your evening cleanse should remove all traces of sunscreen, makeup, pollutants, and the day's grime. Double cleansing. First with an oil-based cleanser, then a gentle foaming or gel cleanser, is a gold standard approach. This is your worker bee moment. Mild chemical exfoliants, AHA, BHA blends, or enzymatic masks. Many dermatologists apply actives at night because skin regenerates during rest cycles. Use these treatments sparingly, and never mix multiple strong actives on the same night. After cleansing, optional, exfoliation, apply treatment serums, retinol or gentle retinoid, for anti-aging, texture, tone, peptides, or growth factor concoctions. Brightening agents, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, etc. At night, your skin craves nourishment and barrier repair. Use a thicker cream or balm containing ceramides, squalane, shea butter, or plant oils. This helps lock in moisture and support overnight regeneration. Eye cream, with peptide boosters, caffeine, or gentle retinol, if your eyes tolerate it. Spot treatments. Apply only to breakouts or pigment areas. Benzoyl peroxide, azelaic acid, hydroquinone, or prescription ingredients. Once or twice a week, allow yourself an indulgent mask, a sheet mask, overnight sleeping mask, or barrier repair mask. This gives your skin an extra burst of potency without overwhelming your nightly schedule. Even with meetings, gym time, or late dinners, the entire extra skin time is only 5 to 7 minutes, a small investment for long-term glow.